6 ways to index your backlinks quickly, easy, and fast method, step-by-step guide. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of SEO, how to index your backlinks quickly and efficiently. Here are 6 easy and fast methods to ensure your backlinks are recognized by search engines. Let's get started. Method 1. Submit to Google Search Console. The first step is to submit your backlinks to Google Search Console. Simply log in, go to the URL inspection tool, and paste the URL containing your backlink. Click on Request Indexing. This prompts Google to crawl the page, which speeds up the indexing process. Method 2. Create social signals. Social signals play a significant role in indexing. Share the page containing your backlink on popular social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These platforms are frequently crawled by search engines, helping your backlinks get indexed faster. Method 3. Use high-quality pinging services. Pinging services notify search engines about new content. Use services like Pingamatic or Pingler to inform search engines about your backlink. Just enter the URL and click Ping. This can accelerate the indexing process significantly. Method 4. Submit to Web 2.0 sites. Web 2.0 sites like Blogger, WordPress, and Tumblr are powerful tools. Create a short post or page with a link to your site. These platforms are crawled regularly, helping to index your backlinks quickly. Method 5. Leverage RSS feeds. Create an RSS feed of the page with your backlink. Submit this RSS feed to directories like FeedBurner. This alerts search engines to your new content, which can lead to faster indexing of your backlinks. Method 6. Build internal links. Internal linking is often overlooked but very effective. Link to the page containing your backlink from other pages on your site. This not only helps with indexing but also improves the overall SEO of your site by creating a more robust internal link structure. Conclusion. By using these 6 methods, you can ensure your backlinks are indexed quickly and effectively, giving your SEO efforts the boost they need. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks.